Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're ready for another awesome week at Dollar General because these deals are crazy. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And if you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. Now first up, fair warning, you need to go back and check out these two videos right here. They are jam-packed, full of information. We have new clearance markdowns. We do have a penny list for Tuesday. We have sales events going on. Plus, we have an awesome clearance event coming up right around the corner. And in this video on your screen, I share with you my predictions for 2025. So you need to go and check out that video and mark those dates down on your calendar. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these new deals. Here we have candles on sale. Buy one, get one half off. We also have our Comfort Bay towels on sale. Buy one, get one half off. We have an instant savings on the quilt and comforter sets, normally priced at $7.50 to $50 each. We have $2 in instant savings on the Hanes men underwear this week, and here's an awesome deal on the Hanes t-shirts. These are normally $7 to $9 each. This week they're on sale 3 for $10, so that's almost a buy one get two free deal. Next we have our Dr. Pepper brand 2 liters. These are on sale 3 for $4 this week. We also have our Dr. Pepper 6-packs on sale 3 for $11. Here we have our Coca-Cola and Sprite 6-packs. They're going to be on sale 3 for $12, and we have our Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters. They're on sale 3 for $5. Next we have our Kellogg's cereals. These are on sale 4 for $8. We also received a 2 off 3 digital coupon for our Skittles singles to go drink mixes. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're paying $7 for 3. We also have quite a few pet food deals this week. Here we have the Pedigree pouches. They're on sale. Buy 5, get 1 free, so you're paying $4 for 5. And here's a crazy deal. We have a $3 coupon on our Friskies 8-count pouches. These are on sale this week for $8.95, so after the coupon you're paying $5.95. That's almost 50% off. We also have a $3 coupon for our 20-ounce Friskies cat treats. These are priced at $8.95, so that's going to leave you paying $5.95. Here we have 75 cents off for the Friskies Little Soups or Little Gravies. These are on sale this week 4 for $5, so after the coupon you're paying $4.25 for 4. Or if you can find these specific pouches, these are priced at $1 each, so after the coupon you're paying $3.25 for 4. Or if you just want to pick up one after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Next up, we have a 2 for 15 Gain DG Store coupon. Unfortunately, this coupon is not attaching to anything in the app, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that one. Next, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for our Gain and Tide laundry products. If you want to pick up the Tide, you're going to pay $4.50. If you want to pick up the Gain, we do have that 105 off 1 manufacturer coupon that you can stack with this DG Store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3.45. Speaking of stacking coupons, we did receive a new DG Store coupon for when you purchase one of the Tide pods, you're getting either the Gain Fireworks or the Rinse and Refresh for free. So if you want to max out your savings on this deal, pick up one of the Tide Power Pods at $19.95 and one of the Gain Fireworks at $9.95. Make sure that you have all 3 of these digital coupons clipped, and after everything's all said and done, you're paying $16.85 for both items. We also have a 4-off-1 for our Gain and Tide laundry products priced at $15.95. So if you want to pick up the Tide, you're going to pay $11.95. If you want to pick up the Gain and you have that manufacturer coupon, you're paying $10.90. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 DG Store coupon for our Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. If you want to pick up the flings, we do have that 105 off 1 manufacturer coupon, so that will leave you paying $2.45. Or if you have the 105 off 1 manufacturer coupon for the fabric softener, you can pick that up. After both coupons are applied, you're paying $2.45. Or you can stack it with the 105 off 1 for the Gain dryer sheets. After the coupons are applied, you're paying $2.45. Next up, we have a 125 off 1 for our Snuggle and Purex products. These are on sale this week for $3.75. There's a lot that you can choose from, and after the coupons applied, you're going to pay $2.50. We have our True Living paper plates on sale again, 3 for $5, and then we also have an instant savings of $5 on the Peak Antifreeze. So these start out at $11.95. After the instant savings, you're paying $6.95. Next, we have our 4-count Bounty paper towels for $6.85 after that 1-off-1 coupon, and then we also have a 50-cent off coupon for our Charmin. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1-count essentials priced at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. We have Love's diapers on sale this week, 2 for $15 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're paying $12 for 2. Here we have a 1-off-1 for our Rexall vitamins. These start out at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're paying $2.35. And then we have high-value 5-off-1 digital coupons on our Claritin and Flonase products. And then we have a little glitch with this $2 coupon on our Robitussin. This is working on the 10-count priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Next, we have a $5 coupon on our children's Zysol. These are on sale this week for $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We also have $2 off for the children's ibuprofen. If you want to pick up the tablets, those are priced at $4.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.85. If you want to pick up the liquid, those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next, we have a sale on our Dial products. If you want to pick up the body wash priced at $4, you can choose from the men's or the women's. Then you're going to get the hand soap for free. We also have a DG cashback offer for $1 back on the body wash, so that's going to make your final price $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Here's a high value 4 off 1 for the Degree whole body deodorants. Those start out at $9, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5. Here we have a 1 off 1 for our Suave products. These start out at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. But here's where we need to chat. If you missed the new clearance markdown and penny list video, you definitely need to go back and check that out because we do have textured hair care products dropping down to 1 penny at select stores. Included in that reset, we do have Suave products as well as Shea Moisture products. We have digital coupons on both. On the Shea Moisture, it's a 5 off 2, so that could be huge overages. But like I said, for more information, make sure that you go back and check out the video that I uploaded for you all yesterday. Now, this 5 off 2 Shea Moisture coupon is glitching right now on the 4 fluid ounce bottles of the Curl and Style Milk. These are priced at $5.85 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.70 for 2. And here we have another glitch with this 2 off 1 Degree coupon. This is working on the small dry sprays priced at $4.05. Now these should be included in the clearance event. If you want to hang on to this deal, it's going to be even better during the clearance event. But this coupon is also glitching and working on the 1.6 ounce Degree women's deodorants. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. Next, our CoverGirl coupons are back, so you're paying $4.75 for the face powder. If you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, you're paying $2.95 after the coupon. Next, we have a 2 off 1 for our Crest mouthwash. These start out at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. And then we also have a 4 off 2 for our Dove shampoos and conditioners. These start out at $5 each, so after the coupon you're paying $6 for 2. Next, we have a 3 off 1 for our Chic Intuition razors. These are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. We also have $3 off for our Chic and Skintimate disposable razors. If you want to pick up the men's, you're going to pay $3.50 after the coupon. If you want to pick up the women's, you're going to pay $3. Here's another crazy deal. We have the Vaseline lotions priced at $4 each. We have a 4 off 2 manufacturer plus a 1 off 1 DG store, so that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Or you can pick up 2 of the 9 ounce Vaselines at $3.75. After that 4 off 2 coupon, you're paying $3.50 for 2. Here we have a couple of shampoo deals. You're paying $2.75 for the Head & Shoulders after the coupon, and with the L'Oreal, you're paying $6 for 2 after the coupon. Here we have $3 back on the Witch Hazel toner, so that's going to make your final price $2.35 with a limit of 2. Next up, we have a 4 off 2 for our Colgate products. This does work with the mouthwash, and it is glitching on the charcoal toothbrushes. But we also have a separate 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. These are priced at $4 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4 for 2. But this week at Dollar General, we do have an instant savings of $5 when you spend $15 on Colgate products. There are several different ways that you can mix and match, but I have a feeling that these products will be flying off of the shelf, so I went ahead and put together 2 quick and easy deals for us this morning. On this first one, we're picking up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste and 2 of the mouthwash. That's going to put your subtotal at $18 after the instant savings, and both coupons you're paying $5 for 4, making those $125 each. Or you can pick up 2 of the toothpaste, 1 of the mouthwash, and 1 of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. After the instant savings plus the coupons, you're paying $3.02 for all 4 items. That's less than $1 each and definitely a crazy deal. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video, but don't forget to go back and check out those 2 videos that I posted over the weekend. I promise you won't regret it. And make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon.